Hello everyone, do you want to edit your video but you don't have a laptop, or you only have a smartphone, or you have a laptop which cannot be able to receive like those strong softwares because you have a very small RAM or you don't have enough space? But this video is the right one for you to get all the necessary skills to use your very phone to edit a video. As we get to this video or this tutorial, please subscribe so that you don't miss these updates that I always be uploading in this channel. The first thing you're going to do is you have to get into your phone. Must be having some data. Of course, you have to download the video editors. You know, some phones may come with video editors, those powerful phones, but I know most of the phones around do not have phone editors. So you have to go to Play Store and get. There are very many the video editors that are there, but today I'm going to take you through on only one that is called Inshot. Inshot is one of those very good video editors. There are very many of them, but if you learn one, you'll be able to do with the rest of them. So let's get to research for Inshot. Today I want us to use Inshot. So you find it here, video editor and video maker, Inshot in front. So you just touch on it and it brings here. So this is what we need to. I have it already. I can maybe update. It tells you update. Let me update. It takes some short period of time to do the update. So just 10 MB is my update. It is installing. Good. So now it's already updated. Let's open it. You can straight away open it, or you can just close it and look for Inshot in your phone. Me, I'm using a Windows like a computer launcher. For you might be having a different one, but of course I have the Inshot around here. So I touch on it. There it is. This is Inshot. It has like 3 options. When you go to create new, you have video, photo, and collage. So the one good thing with this editor, you can edit photos, you can edit videos, you can edit or make them an a collage. Okay, let me just show you what the collage is. These photos that you put in like 3 of them or many of them. I will record another tutorial using collage. But today our interest is what? A video. You touch your tap on video. I already have a draft here. Let me remove it and we start afresh. So you come to video. It has very many options here. For example, there is video, or you want to add a photo in a video. So you can choose if you want specifically a video. You will only be having videos. If you want only to add photos to make a music, okay, to make a movie, and you only want to use photos, you can come into photos and you'll be able to do what? To use photos to make a video. That is also very possible. But if you want to mix them, you can come to all. Then you can be able to choose photos and use them for mixed photos and videos mixture to make your video. But in this case, we need basically, maybe we can mix anyway. Let me say start with a photo, like in the intro. What can I use as the intro of the video? Let me get it here. For example, let me use. I can choose any. Let me pick this as our intro of the video. So you check on that particular one. Now, let's get a video we want to put in our video. Let's get a video that we want to mix in. I can now even decide to go back to only videos. So when I come back to videos, I want to choose a short one. That is now one video. Now I can mix another video in that. For example, let me pick this. Okay, now I have my 3 videos selected. You go ahead and check this mark. You see this tick, that green, you check on it. Now see, we have our videos all mixed up here. Now you can try to play and it comes. You see, it moves to the next. That is what you're going to do. Now, after you've put your videos there, you can decide to have text. You know, there are a lot of signs here. You can use all of them. For example, this canvas, you can be able to zoom in or zoom out. But maybe we can zoom this particular video and see this photo. We are zooming it. Now after zooming, you press that. There's also music. If the video doesn't have music, you can be able to add music in it. Can come to music, you can just want to record or you go to your tracks. Have my songs here. I will choose whatever I want to add in. For example, like maybe this. See? If you find that one is okay, you can download, or you choose what you need. For example, let me download this and I'll use it. See, it has been added. If I play this, it is playing together. Now, when that has been added, you can check on this tick and tap on it. We can move, like for joining, like for example, these two videos, this one and this one. We need to make some transition, like it's coming. See? It just jumps, but we need to make a transition for these videos. You touch on that thing down. Let me first go back. You see this? This small thing, white and black in the middle. You touch on it, it gives us this. These are all transitions. You see that? When you increase this, you can change like taking up. See? Or you can come to this, a circle. There are also premium versions. If you accept to pay this app, the premium version of this, for example, this. See that? Or you can use this. These are all premium. Or you use this. But let's use a free version. These are all premium version. Now when using free version, you see, you can use this. Good. Now we have already combined those two. We can go ahead and combine again from here. See, you get that is combined. I can still change this. This is a super one. It's in pro version. You see?
Thank you for.
But we're using this.
Thank you for joining. And
you see, that is what we need. So we can choose that or any of this. We can choose that, and we put it. Then we save that. Now, the next thing, we have already learned about music, we have learned about canvas. We need to know, like, sticker. So you can put a sticker in your video. For example, you can move your video, which part you want to put it, or you can put a watch and put it somewhere. You can move and fine, you can reduce the size and put it maybe there. Then you save it there. These are all options you can use to customize your work. Once it's done, you click on this. So you can be able to check your watch. For example, you see, your watch is your watch is added there. Now you can also be able to add a text in your video. For example, this, we type this as a trial. You can change the color. Since there is white, you can change the color of the text to maybe yellow, red, whatever you want, or purple, blue. So we can say this is a trial. You just choose your design. There are fonts here. See? You choose the font that fits your project. Mine, maybe this is a trial. And you can have your transition of the text. Text transitions. This is, see? You see that? This is what you can do with the code. I want to use that one. So you can see. Your text goes like that. Now let's get to something else. That is, you tick that. Once you're okay with it, you can save it there. And let it go. There's also filter. These are all things you know. You've been working out with them. If you find it is okay, you can leave it there. See? All that you can do, and it's done. Let's check something else, like this duration. You can set your video duration. You can set all this. Actually, duration, there is a split. You can split your video. You can also change the background. All this you can be able to choose an image and put in the background. That one is when you've changed, for example, you see there's a background now in this. You put it blurry or let it be very clear. See, we have changed our background. So a background can only be applied to, like, when something is small, the resolution of that thing is small. When the video, the foreground video is covering all the space, you will not be able to see the particular you'll not be able to see the background you've added in. So delete, you can delete this particular part of the thing. You can all pre-cut it. You choose, like, for example, you can pre-cut the video. For example, maybe I select this one, then I say pre-cut. I will remove all these parts, then I leave with only this. See, it's now short. Can you feel that? It goes. Our video is there, but this one is also very long. I need to cut it a bit, reduce it also. Now let's check our video.
Thank you for joining. And
you see your video is now, you've modernized it, you've changed the background. You can increase the speed. You can, like, for example, then you test it and see that speed. The speed is very high. This is very slow. See that? This is almost like normal, but when you put it 1, it becomes normal. Then you save it. You can crop the video. If it is so long, you can say, I want only this part. See? You can decide to pick only the part you want. Then you see, you've cropped it. It is now cropped. Then there's also volume of your video. You can decide to put it full, or you can decide to reduce it, or you can extract audio. It's all your choice. All these actually are in there. So there's also another element in this Inshot. You know, Inshot is a very good editor for fonts. There are also others, but for my case, I like this. So it works. It just allows you to remove some of those things by freely, although you can buy it. It's not even very expensive, $3.5. You can be able to get your premium version, but you can remove. You see, there is this. They have their trademark, but you can remove it by watching a short clip. For example, you touch this X on top there. You touch on it. They will tell you Inshot Pro. You can buy it or remove permanently the effects, or you watch a free movie. Just watch a free advert and it will be removed. You click on that remove free by watching this free remove. Let's give it some time for it to load a video. So you can see that is the advert. You wait for about 30 seconds and it will be able to go off. Good. See, it's not there again anymore. It's not there. So you can produce your video. You doesn't have any problem again, like anything of that. It doesn't have it again. So that is what you do with this. Now let's we can go ahead and produce our video. There are many other things you can flip. You can be able to learn more of all these things. Now let's check and produce our video. Also, another thing is there is this plus. If you see that there is another video you want to add in, you can come to this plus and say, oh, the blank thing, a blank space, or you want a video or a photo. Choose a video or photo. You can be able to add another video. But not right now, we don't need to add anything. We want only to produce what we have already made. Now let's go and save. When you click on save, you will tap on it, save. Now it gives us to choose the quality you need to export. You can say 360, you can say 720 or HD 1080, or you can customize the size you want. If you want like maybe 480, you get like 4.5 MBs, maybe like 1080, or you say 1920. You see all this 1920 is not any video, so it is the maximum is 1080 is what we can consider. Now let's choose for example, let's say we want to 720. It is already starting to export. You know, it's a free version. It could actually show some ad device, but you see it's very fast. It runs so fast. There it is. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for you to get more updates on this channel. Now our video is done. You can decide to share on YouTube, WhatsApp, wherever you want to do, or you can tap on this area to view it. Let me tap there. See, this is our video. See? It's actually there.
Thank you for joining, and
that is our video. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel for you to get more updates. Thank you very much.